At HostingCon in June, the WHIR had the chance to catch up with hosting veteran Matt Heaton to talk about his new venture, BetterServers.
In 2003, I started Bluehost.com and HostMonster.com. Those companies currently host approximately 5 million domain names with over 1 million paying customers. So I think I've been around the hosting blockers. And BetterServers is it's a cloud hosting platform, but more than that, it's somewhere where you can get your own virtual data center, start with one server and one router, and build your way up from there to thousands of servers, thousands of drives, all without having to step foot in the data center. All the prices that the big boys like Amazon and Google and SoftLayer, etc., don't like. So we're excited to show that off.
So aside from price, how do you differentiate from the big guys you mentioned, like Amazon and Google?
Our primary differentiator is speed. Now everybody says that they're fast, but we're here to prove that we're fast. You notice there's a Ferrari behind us. Our whole motif is speed. We are better and faster on network speed. In most of comparisons on disk I/O, we are at least an order of magnitude faster than our competitors, and often much more. Sometimes that sounds unbelievable, but it's true.
So why BetterServers now? What did you see in the market that was missing that you wanted to kind of fill?
If there's a product that exists, I don't really have, I'm not really motivated to build something that already exists. I looked in the marketplace, and there was each company filled a niche that we did, but there was no place that I could get everything that I wanted in one place. And there were some that were up and coming that would be close, but their offering was just too slow. So being a serial entrepreneur, I decided that this is a good time for me to jump in. So we've actually been working on the product for about 18 months and excited to release it.
So who's the target market for this offering?
If you sell virtual cloud servers, we are coming for you. We want all of your customers. Everybody's using cloud servers for short-term instances where your servers are only run for a few hours or days or weeks, to those who are building backbone critical infrastructure that just want it to work and they need it to be deployed fast. So really end to end. But we really tried to gear the interface and separate out the really advanced users from the simple so that everybody could use the product.
Can you tell me a little bit about the interface?
A lot of the other cloud products, they have all the pieces, but they really aren't stitched together properly, in my opinion. And so we've broken down our product into multiple small categories that make sense. So as a customer, when you sign up, you get a data center with your own router, your own first server, and your own first 2 hard drives. That makes up a base unit. And then from that point on, you can purchase as many individual data centers, or servers, or hard drives, or individual networks or VLANs as you would like. We have some base packages that are really inexpensive, but we also wanted you to be able to customize it in any way that you'd want. So, for instance, if you if you went to the site, you might see a base package that said 4 CPU cores, 8 gig of memory, and 100 gig of hard drive space. And we can sell that for around $65, where most people would sell that particular server in around the $200 range.
You're offering it direct, obviously, but you've also got a partner program, and some pretty big partners are working with you.
Existing companies that I dealt with, Bluehost and HostMonster, and a lot of the endurance brands who I have a relationship with are very interested in our partner program, but we have that open to everybody. So we have a completed API, documentation's all up. It's very, very easy to get going, and with that, instead of using our services directly, you could use that to offer our services directly to your customers if this is something that you would like to offer at a much discounted rate.
Great. So you're launching here at HostingCon, but what are the plans for the next 6 months?
Grow, grow, grow. We have a lot of people that are interested in the product. I'm no stranger to getting sign-ups for our product. And the price point, frankly, unless the product is the worst and we fail in the marketplace, the product itself will do most of our work for us. But we will hit it hard starting this week to get new customers on board.